A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 12th class, subject Botany, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, you remember or you know that we are discussing the questions on Unit 2nd, and today our topic is Mendels laws or principles of inheritance. Dear students, you should understand that three laws were given by Mendel, which are called the Mendel's laws or the principles of inheritance. The first law is called the law of dominance, second law is called the law of segregation, and the third is called the law of independent assortment. So, keeping in view these three laws and the experimentation done by Mendel on the pea plants, these three laws were formulated by the Mendel, and today we will discuss the first law called the law of dominance. So, our topic is today Mendel's laws or principles of inheritance. On the basis of generalization on experiments on pea plants, Mendel formulated certain laws called Mendel's laws of inheritance. As I have told you earlier, that on the basis of experimentation done by Mendel on pea plants, he formulated certain laws which are called the Mendel's laws of inheritance or the principles of inheritance. So, three laws were formulated by Mendel, and the first law is called the law of dominance. So, today we will throw light upon this first law of dominance. So, what the Mendel does, when Mendel crossed a pure red flowered pea plant with a pure white flowered one, the progeny was found to be red flowered one. So what the Mendel does to formulate the law of dominance, he crossed a pure red flowered pea plant with a pure white flowered pea plant. So what happens? The progeny was found to be red flowered one. So in this way, we see red color of flower suppressed the white color, as only the red color of the flower was dominant, so the red color of flowers suppressed the white color. The red color was called the dominant and white color of flowers was called the recessive. So the color which was dominant was the red color, and the white color which has been suppressed has been called the recessive. From the conclusion, Mendel formulated law of dominance. So from this conclusion, from this experiment, Mendel formulated the law of dominance. So from which conclusion he formulated the law of dominance? He crossed the pure red flowered pea plant with pure white flowered pea plant, and then he found a red flowered this or the red color of the flower suppressed the white color. Red color was thus called the dominant color, while as the white was called the recessive color. From this conclusion, Mendel formed the law of dominance. So this law states as one factor in a pair may express itself and prevent the expression of the other. This is a law of dominance. So what is the law of dominance, or how we can state or define the law of dominance? One factor in a pair may express itself and prevent the expression of other. तो ये यही है कि रेड जो हमने प्योर रेड फ्लावर का पी प्लांट हमने क्रॉस किया प्योर वाइट फ्लावर पी प्लांट का, तो वहाँ पर जो रेड कलर वो डोमिनेंट रहा, उसने वाइट कलर को सप्रेस किया। तो इस तरीके से ये लॉ वजूद में आया, तो इसी को बोलते हैं कि वन दिस फैक्टर in a pair means in two colors one factor one color expresses the itself. वो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करता है, डोमिनेट बन करता है, एंड प्रिवेंट द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द अदर, वो दूसरे को सप्रेस करता है, उसका जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो नमूदार नहीं होने देता है, वो प्रिवेंट करता है। तो ये है कि वन फैक्टर in a pair may express itself and prevent the expression of the other. The factor which expresses itself is called the dominant factor, go with the red color, and unexpressed one is called the recessive factor, go with white color. So diagrammatically अगर हम पेरेंट्स ले लेंगे फिनोटाइप जीनोटाइप, तो होमोजाइगस रेड हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे होमोजाइगस वाइट से, तो दिस होमोजाइगस रेड अगर हम कैपिटल आर आर, तो यहाँ पर होमोजाइगस वाइट में स्मॉल आर आर, तो यहाँ पर अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ बनता है F1 जनरेशन में कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर गो रेड फ्लावर्ड एंड द कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर गो रेड फ्लावर्ड अत बे, तो यूजन योर होमोजाइगस वाइटस में स्मॉल आर, तो यह रोजान सप्रेस अत नेरान एक्सप्रेशन कहें. So this is diagrammatic representation of the law of dominance. So this was all about today's lecture. So in this way we have studied the first law of Mendel, that is the law of dominance. Now in our next lecture we will study the second law of this Mendel, that is called the law of segregation. So till tomorrow, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.